Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero 2018 model. So here we have a combo pack with shorty, chesty and GoPro Hero. So let's unbox it. Here it is, and some tape. Okay, so here we have GoPro Hero 2018. The packaging doesn't look that great, so it is imported by Creative Peripheral. Generic name. The model number is CHDHP501RW. It's a March 2018 manufactured, and we have a 1-year extended warranty. Okay, and we can shoot this one in 1440p 60 frames and 1080p 60 frames. Okay, it has a voice assist touchscreen, and it supports an underwater till 33 feet. Okay, so let's open this. And plus we have got this chesty, so which we can use while riding or on a track or something. And we have a small shorty. So this we have. So this is like a combo pack. I got it from Amazon. So let's open the box. Yes. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this we'll see later. So here we are. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so here we are. So let's bring it out. Okay. Ooh. So there is nothing in the box. It's a protective cover, and here's the camera. So this camera looks nice. It looks like a new product, not a used one for sure. Yeah, there are a lot of reviews going on that the seller is selling the used ones or the returned ones by some another users. Okay, so here we have a GoPro Care, some card is there. Okay, some instructions, and then we have a very good sticker, 2 GoPro stickers, and then we have a safety instruction in multiple languages. Probably I need to see them later on. Other than in the box, there is a small battery. The battery looks okay. The finishing is not that good, but let's see. We have a battery. Okay, and then we have 2 adhesive tapes. Probably this will go with helmet, and this can go on the helmet top. And then we have a USB-C cable. Other than that, nothing. So let's take out the camera now. For camera we need to remove something. Okay, let's open this up. Just need to turn this. We have removed, and here is the camera. It's the GoPro. Cool. So this casing opens up like this, and probably this will come out. Okay, so here is the camera. It looks nice. It has a start button here. It has some modes, only 2 buttons all over. Then there is, okay, here is an HDMI and a USB-C port. Cool. And then we have a battery and a case. Okay, so let's put the battery, or we should go for some study what to do now. We remove the case, we put the battery, we put the memory card. Okay, then we close it, then we charge, then it's cool. Okay, so let's put the battery first. Probably this is the right way to put. Okay, it goes in.
Once you have put the battery, then you need to put it in a charge for some time, and then once you can leave it for 10 minutes on a charge, and then you can just press the mode button to bring it up. As soon as you put the mode button, you'll get a language selection option. You just need to do the basic settings like agree to their terms and conditions, and then set the date, set the time, and then you should be good to go.
Settings, here advanced settings, video stabilizers, swipe down to change the preferences. Okay, swipe right to see the videos. Cool. Then to the main screen at any point, setup, quick start. Okay, so this is the free item which I got in the GoPro Hero 2018. So let's open this. Okay, so I need to open it from here. So here it goes. So there is nothing other than this in the box. So this you can just open it. The quality looks good, and then you can just pull it. Oh, it's just this size. It's really good to carry. It just comes in a hand. And then let's open. So here is the chesty, and let's see. Okay, it has something here, some stuffs here, some stuff here. Oh, this looks a premium quality, sure. Yeah, this is nice one.